Hello, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from the United States to India through Western Union. This process is easy. It's going to be easy. First of all, what we need to do is go to Western Union, as you can see here. And well, once we get here, we'll see that we have the option to send money and all that. What I recommend first is that you create an account, set up your Western Union account, and once you've created your Western Union account, what you need to do is click on Send Money, which will appear right here or somewhere on the screen. And well, in my case, I have to click here on Send Money. Okay, here, Send Money, it appears here. And right here, we already have the convenient option to easily send money. What we specifically need to do is simply select India as the primary destination country. And then we patiently wait for it to fully load here on the screen. And we can clearly see that we now have the convenient option to meticulously choose the exact amount of funds to send. And similarly, right here, we can precisely choose the specific amount to receive, right? Once we set this amount here, we'll be able to see how much that person will receive. Okay, so in this section here, we're going to choose how we want to send the money to the other person. Here you can choose bank account, UPI, or cash pickup at an agency. And in this section here, it's about how we are going to pay. The most popular and effective method is the debit card, since the charge is immediate and the transfer time is... It truly doesn't take a long time at all, and there are absolutely no hidden fees whatsoever. So here, what we are going to do next is simply click on the continue button. And well, here it's going to ask us to log in, and then we'll have to fill in the details of the person who will receive the money. It's really quite simple to do. And well, if this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.